birds! Are they going the wrong way? Where are they going? Okay, they're going. Hey guys, today we're gonna fly the male birds. This is a 17-kilometer fly. Let me show you a couple of them. I brought only the boys up. Breeding season is out. Easy there, big fella. Remember him, El Nino. Blue band number 131. Beautiful pigeon. That's one of the adults. Very beautiful fella. Let me show you another one. Today we're flying Gringo. Senior Gringo. It's beautiful white. It's a bit dirty. It's out the molt. It's really hard to see when he's molting because he's so white. Band number 139. Blue band 139. You'll see. See him with that black eye. Let me show you the eye. Beautiful bird, yeah. So also had a couple of the young blue bars. So you can see one has double white on the wing. The other one has white on one wing. Pretty good young birds. Really good flyers. So it's only 6 birds today. 6 males, 4 young male, 2 old male. Let's see what they do. Oh. So it's 2 days later. I let the birds go. I'm gonna let the girls go now. Have a look. Hey, the girls and this baby here. He's a young boy. You can see him with that pearl eye. Look at him. He's the only pearl eye one I have. He better be good, yeah. He has that. He's a blue bar and has that double white on the right side and that single white on the left. It's gonna be a beautiful bird when he flies. This is his first actual fly, so let's see how he does. Hey there, little fella. Beautiful bird, yeah. I won't show all the girls, but this black used to be my best bird. She's still on a bit of a molt. She bred late. That's the mother of the one I just showed you. It's also the mother of a couple of the other good ones. You can see that white on the right. This young black is also a very good bird. It's the only black I've gotten off of the black. Normally she gives me some blue, and she gave me 2 blue bars. Anyway, we'll see. You can see I have my work shirt on. I'm actually out here doing vet things, but I carry the birds along to give them a fly because this is a nice 17-kilometer fly in the north. This one here, this white, beautiful young white. She's pretty dirty because someone's been trying to mount her. But she's a really good bird too. She's off El Gringo and that black female I showed you earlier. I expect her to do well. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just going to mention this blue check. She actually did very well on the last fly, so maybe she'll do good again now. Who knows? Couple of the oh, it's okay, it's okay. A few of the other females, they're not that remarkable, but they're gonna fly anyway. This one is beautiful. I don't like checks, but this one's alright. So I'm gonna try a new strategy opening the box this time. Have a look. If I take it from here, and they're gone. See that one white on the black with the white wings? They're gonna circle a couple times. Should come over the side here. Yeah, there they come. They should come over the side. They look beautiful. That white is leading. Let me see. The black with the white wings is going to actually start leading. And she's gone. The females are flying much better than the males, yeah? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them were released. That was 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, it's 9 of them. So I just came back from this trip. I'm not sure if this video comes out before or after the total video, but came out on that total trip. Just went to pick up this last racing pigeon. Come see it from my friend Hayden and Jared. So look at it. It's a young of the year. It has a 2023 band. It doesn't seem it has a microchip on it, but the microchip is not registering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put him on the quarantine pen and try to introduce him to my stock. Gonna deworm him. Easy there, fella. With for parasites, external and internal, and oral trench. Easy there, fella. Yep. This is another new one of the this year racers. A lot of white on him. You can see he has that pearl eyes. Let me show you. Hey, it's okay. Look, he has that pearl eyes. Although I think it's a female. I have to check. These are all young at the years. Let me show you the others. I had them in quarantine for a while. This one was very weak. He's filled out a good bit, has a nice long keel. Another male. Nice orange eyes there. This girl here is absolutely beautiful. Look at her with that white cap. So we were going board banding today. And I get this nice blue check fella off the road. Mike scanned him as well. He's another young of the year. Actually, no, he looks like an older bird. I think he was drinking some water at the side of the road. And look at him. It's a beautiful blue check. Oh my gosh. Amazing bird. Very well muscled. Nice bird. Yeah, really, it's definitely a boy. Really long keel. I dewormed him. I'm going to put him in a box. Nice. Look at this beauty. Okay guys, another part of keeping pigeons that you have to do often is cleaning the loft. I left the poop build up a bit so I can get a better video. It doesn't always get this bad, but I normally spray it down with some water, scrape off all the standing posts where they roost, spray it down a bit more and wash off. Now these guys could have gone outside, they didn't want to move, but the water really doesn't bother them. I also dewormed all of them to get rid of internal and external parasites. So this is what I feed the birds with. It's a combination of wild bird seeds, rice, some corn, some wheat. Yeah. Let me get them fed. Everybody's well dewormed. Deloused. The loft is clean. Let me feed them and head. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you for cooperating.